Hello, and welcome to another tutorial on how to play through the Faber Adventure books. This is the first one, the purple one, lesson book, primer level, second edition, Piano Adventures. And we're going to look at I Hear the Echo, Echo, Echo. I couldn't help it, I had to tell that joke. So we're going to look at dynamics. Loud is forte, soft is piano, and they're abbreviated with an F for forte and P for piano. I'm going to play through this, but I want you to notice how some notes are louder and some notes are softer. And then we'll break it down. Okay, we're still playing on the black notes, and we're playing with these three fingers, 2, 3, and 4 up here. My fingers should be relaxed and curved. And whether I'm playing a loud note or a soft note, I want to keep my fingers from collapsing. I still just want to play like this, okay? I also don't want to continue pressing on the key after it's already down. So if it's a loud note, the tendency might be to push really hard on the key even after it's already made it sound, but there's no more sound that will come out of the piano. Now, the tendency with loud notes is to play quicker. So as we play louder, we might want to start doing this, and as we play softer, we do this, because the key actually has to go down slower to make a soft note. But the trick is to keep playing the same tempo, even if you're playing soft or loud. So a great exercise here is to play the same tempo, and then switch to soft notes, and then loud notes again, but don't get any faster or slower. Keep the same tempo. It might be easier if you're playing fast like this. You can try that on all of your fingers in different keys. I also want to point out the reason they call this I Hear the Echo, and in case you didn't notice, was that the first part of this figure, this musical line, is loud, and then the second time you play exactly the same thing but softer, much like an echo. Okay, let me play through it again, just telling you the finger numbers. Start with our right hand, 2, and they're loud. Oh, you might try playing this. If you're having trouble with the notes, learn the notes first, then add the dynamics. Otherwise, you can just start with the dynamics. So here we go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, and these are half notes. 1, 2, and then we play softer. Same fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is a chance to notice musical patterns and practice your pattern recognition. Now we're playing the same finger numbers in the other hand, so that means the notes go the opposite direction. It's the inverse of the first pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the next one's softer. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'm only bringing my fingers up sometimes to show you which finger I'm playing. You should always try to keep your fingers relaxed on the notes. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe and share the video if you want to show your support, and have fun.